right there, buddy?
Yeah,
What happened?
they want to do it. They thought the idea was great.
What? Which idea?
The hot wings thing.
Oh, the hot wings. Yeah. That's going to be a problem for you.
Yeah, I mean, given how I react to spice, it's going to be something.
Well, I'm super excited. And I know your biological reactions are going to be difficult to film on, but we're still going to have fun.
That's right. So, Monday, July 6th, we are going to be doing we're going to have some fun.
We're going to have fun. We're going to be eating spicy chicken wings.
Yes, spicy wings, and we are going to be answering your technical questions about SolarEdge Nexis. So, submit your questions to nightmode@solaredge.com, or you can drop them down in the comments below, and we'll answer your questions live online during chat and go through your questions that you submit over the weekend.
So I love spicy food.
Yeah.
Are we going to get like melt your face off spicy wings?
I think that's what people want, and I think that's what our friends in marketing and in SolarEdge in general want to see us do, just for fun.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So they are going to watch you sweat, and they're going to put me in the hot seat.
That would be putting it lightly, yes. So make sure you join us on the 6th. In addition to that, tomorrow we're going to be talking about some solutions outside of 240.
Yeah.
And we're going to be going into things like carports and talking about commercial solutions for those applications. And I'm really excited to do that because I think we're going to have one of our technical experts coming in and joining us for that. That's going to be really, really cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And then, of course...
Finally, a guest on the guest couch.
I know, right?
Guest couch.
And, of course, we've got Nexis Takeover Day. Tell us about that.
So Nexis Takeover Day is a big event where we have multiple stage. We're going to be talking about everything Nexis. So installing it, how to sell it, how to design with it, the market requirements, special programs about Nexis. I think even Shuki, our CEO, is going to be on there.
Yeah, I also heard that we're going to have an installer panel. We're actually going to have installers who have worked with this in the field give us their opinions. It's going to be really cool.
So not just me telling people how great it is, other people telling you how great it is.
Yeah, and that's going to be live online on July 15th. So, of course, links are always going to be in the description. Look for that. Come and watch us suffer on Monday. Of course, it's always going to be available on demand afterwards. And of course, tomorrow, Thursday, July 2nd, we are going to be talking commercial for Night Mode. And just want to send out a quick apology. It's been a really, really busy month. You've been on the road doing the SolarEdge Nexis tour.
Yeah.
And you're going to be gone next week as well, right?
Yeah, the launch tour is taking up all my time. So we're traveling. I've been hitting the road. Thanks to those who actually watched Night Mode and then showed up to our trainings. It was really cool to see you guys there. But yeah, so I'm going to be on the road again next week in Southern California, and we're doing actually one here in Sacramento on Friday. So I'm going to stop in San Diego, Riverside, and Sacramento on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, respectively. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. And then the week after that is Takeover Day. So, man, busy, busy, busy.
Always fun during a product launch. So thanks for sticking with us. And yeah, hopefully when things settle down a little bit, we'll be able to get back to our normal fun.
Absolutely.
But yeah, we're trying to pack in stuff where we can. So come join us tomorrow on the 2nd. Come join us on Monday, round about 12 o'clock Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. We'll be doing the Hot Wings Challenge, as it were, and answering your questions. And of course, July 15th, join us live online for SolarEdge Nexis Takeover Day and hang out with Cam and see some live installation content.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've also got a bunch of promos. We actually filmed yesterday in your garage. We filmed a time-lapse showing exactly how long it takes to install SolarEdge Nexis, so look out for that on YouTube.
Man, we've been so busy.
We've been very busy. It's been a great time. Really want to thank everybody for staying engaged and joining us, so we will see you soon. Stay sunny.
Stay optimized.
Cheers. Damn, dude. One take. I'm good with that.